Hello and welcome to this FortiAppSec Cloud video on bot mitigation. FortiAppSec Cloud offers a range of features specifically designed to detect and mitigate bot attacks, providing robust protection for web applications and APIs. Using a combination of behavioral analysis, AI-based detection, and rate-limiting controls, FortiAppSec can identify and block malicious bots while ensuring a seamless experience for legitimate users. To start, we have behavior-based bot detection, which identifies bots by analyzing user interaction patterns, such as mouse movements, keystrokes, and session flow, instead of relying solely on IP addresses or known signatures. This category includes threshold-based bot detection, biometric-based bot detection, and machine learning-based bot detection. Biometrics-based bot detection is an advanced feature that distinguishes human users from bots by analyzing client-side interactions, such as clicking behavior, page focus, mouse movements, keyboard inputs, screen touches, and scrolling behavior. In this example, a bot is programmed to navigate an e-commerce website to scrape data or perform automated purchases. Unlike a human, who would naturally move the mouse in a slightly erratic or curved path, the bot might move the mouse in perfectly straight lines or with unnaturally consistent precision. Additionally, the bot might click on elements with exact timing, for example, every 1.5 seconds, or scroll through pages at a constant speed without any pauses or variations. You can configure FortiAppSec to detect movements that are too precise, repetitive, or lack the natural variability of human interaction. It would flag the session as potentially bot-driven. This allows the system to block or challenge the bot, while allowing legitimate human users to continue their activities uninterrupted. FortiAppSec's threshold-based bot detection is a feature that helps distinguish between human users and automated bots by monitoring for suspicious behaviors that occur at abnormal rates. These include excessive 403 and 404 response codes, repeated attack signatures, slow attack activities, content scraping, and unauthorized user scans. When abnormal activity is detected, FortiAppSec takes action to mitigate potential threats. A bot programmed to scrape website content, such as product descriptions, pricing, or blog articles, typically sends a high volume of requests in a short period. For example, it may rapidly request hundreds of product pages, bypass normal browsing behaviors like navigating categories or clicking on ads, and trigger numerous 404 not found or 403 forbidden errors while probing for hidden or non-existent pages. You can configure FortiAppSec Cloud to monitor the rate of specific behaviors and compare them to predefined thresholds, such as the occurrence of certain behavior within a certain time. Once FortiAppSec identifies the bot's behavior as exceeding the defined thresholds, it can take action to block or challenge the bot. FortiAppSec's machine learning-based bot detection enhances traditional signature and threshold-based methods by identifying sophisticated bots that might otherwise evade detection. At the core of this feature is a machine learning algorithm called Support Vector Machine, or SVM for short. It learns what normal user behavior looks like across your applications, then constantly compares that to incoming traffic. So, if something changes, like after an app update, FortiWeb automatically updates its model to keep detection accurate. The learning model analyzes user behavior across 13 different dimensions, including things like the rate of HTTP requests, JSON or XML resources, and average duration with throughput. There is no need to manually set thresholds if a request doesn't match the learned model behavior. FortiAppSec simply flags the abnormal request as a bot. Next, let's take a look at the features that catch bots proactively, either by setting traps or using built-in intelligence to spot them. These include bot deception and known bots. FortiAppSec's bot deception feature is a proactive defense mechanism designed to detect and trap malicious bots, such as web crawlers, by inserting hidden links into HTML response pages. Human users browsing normally will not see or interact with these invisible links, but bots, especially crawlers, may unknowingly follow them, revealing their automated behavior. To set up bot deception, specify the deception URL to be inserted in the HTML response page, which can be either an absolute path or a relative path. This deception URL should not point to a real, existing page on your server. It should be a non-existent or fake path that no normal user would ever click or see. FortiAppSec's Known Bots feature is designed to help manage and differentiate between legitimate bot traffic, such as search engine crawlers, and malicious bots, such as DDoS bots, spammers, or content scrapers. By doing so, it helps protect your websites, mobile applications, and APIs from unwanted bot attacks without disrupting the flow of critical and beneficial traffic. Setting it up is super simple. Just toggle the switch next to each bot category to enable or disable detection for good or bad bots. If you need to customize it, you can easily edit the bot list to fit your specific needs. And finally, FortiAppSec has Advanced Bot Protection, a Fortinet SaaS advanced bot mitigation solution designed to detect and protect against sophisticated bots that may be used to conduct malicious automated attacks on your online applications. When Advanced Bot Protection is used with a FortiAppSec Cloud WAF application, the ABP service prompts WAF to inject JavaScript to the client's browser for sampling information. The Cloud WAF then analyzes each request and provides ABP with information such as HTTP headers, TLS fingerprinting data, source IP address and ASN, request patterns, and timing characteristics. Advanced Bot Protection evaluates these signals using its machine learning models and global threat intelligence to classify the activity as human or automated. Based on this evaluation, ABP returns a decision to the Cloud WAF, which then enforces the appropriate action. If ABP indicates that the client is legitimate, WAF performs its security check and then forwards the traffic to the back-end server. If the activity deviates significantly from the learned patterns, ABP flags it as anomalous and potentially malicious. Advanced Bot Protection is also designed to seamlessly integrate with on-premises FortiWeb and FortiADC devices. In this setup, the on-premises device injects JavaScript into the client's browser and forwards the collected information to ABP for analysis. Beyond effective bot blocking, the ABP service provides detailed insights, track bot traffic, identify malicious transactions, monitor account activity, and more in the Advanced Bot Protection module on the FortiAppSec portal. Safeguard your application with FortiAppSec's comprehensive bot mitigation features. These tools work seamlessly to detect and block malicious bots, ensuring robust protection for your web applications. Thank you for watching.